You can do it. Good job.
14 months.
Whoa. Here. Come here. Whoa. Look at you walking like a big boy all the way through the house. Huh? You don't need me. Whoa, look at you. Look at you. Adrian, come here. Whoa. Come here. You gonna blow my nose too? Oh, you think you can stand back up? Oh, good job.
He stood up in the middle of the floor?
Yeah, he picked up his tissue and stood right back up. You're gonna get that dog, aren't you? He has no hopes now that you're walking. Oh.